And this is Fido. He's been in the house every day for 2 weeks because he's been recovering from an accident, and now he thinks he needs to come in every night. Are you knocking? Alright, come on, Fido. Come on. Come on, Fido. That's a good boy. Come on. That's a good boy. Walking down the hall. Into the rehab room. So happy boy. Happy boy. Are you happy? You like to be in. This is the rehab room, such as it is right now. Food and water. And Fido, he's been spending his nights in here while he's been recovering from his little accident. Oh, there's little Fido. Are you giving Mama kisses? Are you giving Mama kisses? You're a good boy. Yes, you're so good boy. I know. He's so happy. This is what happens when you knock on the door. I think we have a defective duck. Yeah, I think we have a defective duck. He thinks he belongs in the house. There, good boy. So this is our nightly routine for now until we get him used to being back outside again. I know, honey. Mama loves you too. Say night-night, Fido. There's a good boy. I love you too. Night-night.